Hi guys, and welcome to Shayna's Catopia. Yes, this is a dog. He is really good with cats. Yes, he is. And we get him BarkBox through the mail. Well, today we are quite a bit behind, and he hasn't liked all the treats. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the bags, and we're going to let him taste each one. See if he wants to keep it or if he wants to pass it on to some family. So, we're going to start with Hulu Hearts. Yep, Hulu Hearts. Let's see if he likes it. That is Lily in the background. She is mad because I'm using her room. Okay, you want to finish that piece on the floor? There we go. Looks like Hulu Hearts has passed. So we are going to keep those. Now we are going to try Snacks on the Beach. Smell it? Oops. Okay. These are fruit shaped. Okay. We ate those, so we're going to hold on to those. Watch them like all of these treats. Lamb Ho. Okay, we've got lamb shaped. I'll give you some snacks in a minute, Lily. They're sticks. Oh, did I not let you sniff it? Okay, here we go. Again, these all came through BarkBox. Looks like it's a little tough for him to chew. Okay, sorry guys. Had to put in a new memory card. Need to go through. Anyway, the Lamb Ho, the sticks, turned out he liked them. So, let's try another. This one's called Yo Ho Ho Pirate's Bounty, Real Bacon and Beef. Yeah? Licking his lips. And it looks like he likes that one too. Maybe it was just a few of the other treats we had in the past. Okay, let's try Squawk Like an Egyptian. Yeah. Let's try one of these. Chicken and berry treats. It's okay, Lily. I'll let you in a minute. Looks like he'll eat that one too. The treat pyramid. It's got lamb, chicken, and pork. Show the treat pyramid, give you a sniff. You're going to lick the package. There you go. What do you think? And he downed that one in a heartbeat. We got two more treats, guys, hanging there with us. Painter's Palette, which is pork, blueberries, and carrots. Give you a sniff. That's what they look like. He's like, yes, I like that too. Well, mister, it started out with you not liking some of these treats, and now you're eating all of them. This one is called Starry Bites. He's going to lick the package. And there's what it looks like. He is one happy camper. Got 8 different treats. The most you've ever got, isn't it, in one day? Yes, that is all. I'm sorry. Well, guys, it looks like he liked each and every treat. So, it looks like BarkBox sent us the right treats, because he really enjoyed them. Now the toys will go to my family's dogs that like toys, because as you can see, he's not a chewer. He likes bones, but when it comes to stuffed toys, which is a good thing because he's never chewed a shoe. Lipstick, yes, but no shoes. Thank you guys for watching. This is Onyx on Shayna's Catopia, and y'all have a wonderful day.